everybody, it's Maya. We are at where? Dollar Tree? So everything's just $1, which I thought would be like just like 1, 2, 3, and 4, but this is then it's just $1. Everything's $1. Last time I came here, I got 4 things because my mom let me. What did I get for 4 things? I got slime.
Mm.
What else?
You got the fake nails.
Fake nails and then the Barbie dresser.
Yep.
The other thing? The lollipop.
Huh?
The lollipop
Yep.
and the lollipop. So we're at Dollar Tree again. Mommy! No! Can I go? I can't! I'm scared!
Come on.
I'm scared.
It's gone. Let's go.
I can't.
Maya, come on.
Okay. Close the door for me. Close the door. Close the door. Oh my god. Go. God. There was a bee. I forgot I was taking camera. Oh, what gets in my leg?
There's nothing on your leg.
I felt something. I should have stayed home. You can't really see right now because it's very, bright outside. So, what? Now I can't see because it's too dark. Maybe it'll be better lighting. There's no good lighting. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Can I get something?
Hey, we're just here for containers.
But I want to get something. Please?
Like what?
Like a little toy or something?
Here, let me grab this containers first.
Or do they have that slime that was here before? Or should I get lipstick? You got these, right?
These ones.
Oh.
I need more like diamonds.
Ooh, a fancy. Ooh, this is weird. My, look at this. This is so weird.
Go grab it.
I won't. It is pure glass.
You see these anywhere?
Some red one.
There they are.
This is so good. Oh, I dropped it. I didn't. It's very fancy. Anything else that's fancy? Oh, look at this. More awesome, please. That's so cute.
Alright, let's go get...
Wait. Save water, drink beer. Oh my god.
Ready?
Wait, you said I could get a toy?
You can get one thing.
Okay. No. Let's see what other toy I own. No.
Okay. Go.
Okay. Oh my god. Should I get more?
Okay. We're gonna be making some.
Yeah, but it would make extra slime.
Look at that.
What?
Foosball.
Ew. These are not even squishy. So what are they? Ooh, a dartboard. Now. I'm looking for something I don't even have.
Yo-yo. The ball change.
I know what that is. Slime.
You left one of those in my car. Oh,
Oops.
really?
What color do I want? Like
Did you
that
get
one.
another one to ruin?
I'm not gonna ruin this one. What is that? What is it?
Squishy ball.
It looks like just like a juice or something that's inside of it. I don't know. Anything else? Oh, this is so cute. But no. Well, I guess we'll just get the slime for now.
I feel like you need them.
I do. Jojo Siwa.
I'll get that.
No. If they had Jojo Siwa slime, then
We can get
yes.
one can of slow strings.
Nah. I'll just waste it.
No, it's still here.
Go through, please.
This is so. They're just being so quiet.
Oops. There you go. You have a good afternoon. Don't look around now. I'm trying to move the seat on.
424.
Hi there, how are you? Box myself in.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. Thank you.
Can't wait to play with the slime. Can't wait to play with the slime. They have such good lighting in here. They really do. Okay, selfie. Okay, no. What if there's bees? Oh. I don't want to go back to the car. There's so many bees.
I mean, it's probably not stupid. Let's just get in real quick.
But don't I have any bright colors on?
No.
You say that. I hate summer. Please, winter, come back.
I agree with you.
I want winter. So hot out. And the bees. I don't want to go near the car. Is there any bees? How do you know that? There could be. There's a bee.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Good.
Get it. Whew. Bees McGrees. At least we're going away. How? Okay. Target. And then we have to get glue at Target and cheese and something else.
I'm getting hair straightener.
Oh yeah, hair straightener. Mommy, can I play with my slime? I won't get it on Grandpa's car, I swear. I can't wait to play with the slime. Plants 50 cents off. 50% off. So stupid, just giving away something. Oh my god. Ooh. This was like. This is like a clear confetti pop surprise. Would it be called a clear confetti pop surprise? Mommy? This should be called a clear confetti pop surprise.
Yeah, what do they call it?
It doesn't call it anything. I'm pretty sure. Doesn't even call it anything. Whoa. Sorry. The slime is so cool. Okay, look at it. No leak, no heat. What if there's bees?
We're gonna be fine.
How do you know that?
Because I know we are.
You don't know that. It feels so good though. Can you put this in your purse? Are you sure there's no bees? Is there any bees? Where am I gonna put this? Where am I gonna put this?
Leave it in there for a minute. We'll be back out in a few minutes.
You sure? Wait, she doesn't know this. I'm coming! My God. Jeez, please. Keep on saying, come on! Jeez. Oh my God. I have to yell. You don't have to yell. Yeah, you're like, come on!
I'm standing outside the hut waiting for you.
Yeah, and I said if there is any bees, and you weren't listening.
I said there's no bees. Come on.
Oh, the baby. So cute. I have a bad feeling there's gonna be bees. Can't really see me, but it's very bright outside. It's so hot outside.
It is hot.
Now you can't see me because it's way too dark. Still dark. Now you can see me. She's like, if you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.